Sometimes the cause of the form error on TurboTax is because of the bugs from the system. You may try to fix it by deleting that form and redo it again. To do it, from this screen, click on the Tax Tools button at the left side of your screen. Then click on the Tools option here. A pop-up will appear and you want to click on Delete a Form. And you may see all of your form that you already filled in TurboTax, and here, search for the form you have an error on it. Make sure to browse the page right here, both on your federal forms or your state forms at the very bottom. Just check on every page by clicking the number right. And when you did find it, click on the trash icon to delete that form. After that, you may redo that form by clicking right here on the search icon at the top of the screen. Then on the search bar, you may typing in the name of the form that you just deleted, and hit the search icon. On here, tap on Jump to your specific form, and start to redo your form. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.